Hi, welcome to the weekend episode of for Nifty and FNO stock watch. And here I'm going to do a quick analysis of a few of the stocks which ended near the weekly high, and we would. This is going to be a very short video where I'm just going to name a few of the companies which I see have some very important, interesting positions, and maybe they are all poised for the next run, maybe in the next week. So today is 27th of June. Let's do a very quick analysis. So as I have already discussed that this is more of a front end which I have created for my software. It's not that it's very much intuitive for you, but it's very much interesting for me. So from company perspective, what I can see is Idea and companies like Ashok Leyland, and also like State Bank of India, and this so there are a few companies, Naukri. So these gave a very good closing, but I'm personally from when I did the data mining, I saw that these are not very much of confident move, and as a result of which I'm not going to pursue these moves in the very near future. Few of the companies you can see in the very top are SAIL, Tata Steel, and Vedanta, and somewhere down here you will also find a JSW Steel. So the whole of the steel sector is very much near the top end. So basically the way my software does it creates all this companies which are slated for a move towards the upper frame, and here it's all the companies which are you can see they are big red candles, and so these are all slated for some down move and possibly some reversal. So this is how we are going to analyze. So one of the very few companies which I have already discussed in also in the market watch from 3 PM yesterday, which you will find in the upper right hand corner. वहाँ पे हम लोग कुछ कंपनीज के बारे में बात किए थे जो बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मूव दी थी एंड ऑल्सो गिव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लोजिंग. द फर्स्ट ऑफ देम इज अपोलो हॉस्पिटल. सो ये बहुत अच्छी एक मूव की, और सो यू हैव टू लुक इनटू दिस कैंडल. दिस इज द डेली कैंडल, एंड दिस कैंडल, द सेकंड वन इज माय algorithm of determining some particular range values depending upon its previous moves. So no matter what, Apollo Hospital gave a very good move, and so did Cummins Industries. This is also really a very this also gave a very really good closing, and on the top of that, on the third on the second level of criteria, you can see that these are the only two dark greens, and in the light green section we have companies like National Alum, but I think this is more of a because of a news or result based speculation. So I think this would be some of the one of the companies which I won't be trading for the next 2-3 days. Its result is slated for tomorrow. Navin Fluorine gave a very good breakout, and we are going to do explicit analysis of Navin Fluorine in another video. We are not going to talk over here. The third company which I see is MFSL. This is also we were able to trade it, and it gave a breakout, and it was able to sustain a breakout. So going forward, this might be also which goes for a new run, or it may also go for the breakout retest, and it will consolidate sometime over there, and maybe in the very near future we can make some good positions over there. And also Canara Bank, this was also discussed in the last market watch from 3 PM. So Canara Bank was also working really good, and then theoretically it gave sort of a good closing, so maybe Canara Bank also. So these are the few of the companies which are looking really good, and they are as we saw, Apollo Hospital, Can Bank, and there's another last company which I wanted to showcase, which you will find round about over here, is the CUB, City Union Bank. We have been trading City Union Bank for some days now. We have traded from 176 177 levels to 179, and I already did explicit analysis of how the CUB is very near its resistance, and how from a technical perspective what would be the new targets. So from a strength perspective, the companies which I see is Apollo Hospital, Canara Bank, CUB, City Union Bank, Cummins India, MFSL, National Alarm, and Navin Fluorine. So these are the 6 7 companies which are actually showing strength in the whole of the market. From a market perspective, we can see the companies like Hero Motor and TVS Motor, Maruti, Tata Motor, right? So you see that this is how the whole market works. So I have not club them according to according to the sector, but according to the data and how data is forming. And you can see that whole of this auto sector, they are more or less very much clubbed together because they are moving in whole. Similarly, you can see that the JSW Steel, which is slated over here, or which is here, compared to SAIL, Tata Steel and VEDL, which shows that these three companies have much more strength, and they and hence, if the steel sector starts moving, then try to concentrate on these three companies rather than on JSW Steel for now. And also we have a few companies which were showing some strength, but the data is not yet very positive. Is some companies like LTTS and Axis Bank and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. We traded this is at all-time high. And similarly, PI Industries, Deepak Nitrate and Glenmark, Escorts. So see, from the auto sector, if you remember that I have been talking about Escorts a lot. So if you see in the top, in this top corner, the first auto company which I can see is Escorts. So basically, the data in Escorts is far better than the data which is formed in other auto major companies like Bajaj Auto. Though I have again I already have carrying a position in Escorts, and I also created a position in Bajaj Auto for short term. So let's see how it goes. And other than that, you can see that definitely you should be for now, you should be trading, you should be staying away from stocks like Maruti and TVS Motor. Of course the price can go up, but from a data perspective and from a trading perspective, I will not be making any positions in companies like LT and TVS Motor, Maruti, Bajaj Auto. I've already made, but it seems like it's not good from the data at the end of the day. And also ICICI GI, and yeah. So these are few of the companies which have given good closing. So these are the intraday moves of one day, and this is something which is sort of a reference. So you shouldn't be looking into this. So you can see there are big candles, but they don't have the enough data to to predict if they would be able to move forward. Another company which is very much in the in the borderline is companies like Apollo Hospital and IndusInd Bank, and hence maybe this would be something which we can take up later. So here I just gave this is just a short video of all the companies which I am looking for long in the last week of June. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot. In the second part of this video, I will talk about the companies which are looking weak, and maybe there are some shorting capabilities in the near future. And also I will be talking about maybe there are some companies which have had a good fall, and right now maybe very soon the trend will reverse. And I will also discuss why the second part of the video is more important than the first part in the second part of the video. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this was helpful, and maybe this will help you in taking care of your future trading decisions. And please consult your financial advisor before making any decisions, as these are purely speculation based, and this video is only meant for educational purposes. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye.